I'm Philip Ringler.
And I'm James Saxon.
And we are Relaxing Realism. We're standing on the set of Water.Fire, which is part of the Element.Element series. This is the sixth picture that we've done. The idea of this set was a fire hydrant which is spraying water, also lit on fire. So in this scene, basically the water's gonna win because water's spurting out everywhere and the fire really has nowhere to go. So we have a waterfall picture here that's from something that you would find at like a Chinese restaurant. It also has some sound that you won't see in the still picture, here in the still picture, but maybe we'll turn it on for you. So this idea came about a long time ago when a friend of my brother's, who's also a photographer, said something like, hey, let's have some kind of photo competition to see who can take a better picture of a fire hydrant. And I'm not a very competitive photographer. I take pictures because I have to. But I thought, let's try something. Let's light a fire hydrant on fire. But you can't really do that because it's illegal, and you'll get sent to prison. So what we did is, in fact, we bought this fire hydrant on Craigslist. And then James modified it, and go ahead and tell them how you did that.
Well, in the base I welded a flange and a hose bib, so we have through this faux concrete floor a hose running to a sink that's behind this wall, so that we can turn that on and make it spray as if it was plumbed to the street.
All right. Go ahead and turn it on.
All right. Water in the hole.
All right. All right. So, as you can see, we have an incredible spray of water coming from this fire hydrant because, like James said, there's a hose coming up into this thing. Now, the impossible task that we made possible of lighting this puppy on fire. And James is going to give you a little bit of a demo, and I'm going to get the hell out of the way. Here's some friends at home. Yeah. So you'll notice that it burns down quite quickly. It's very intentional that we're doing that. We only need a 60th of a second for the burn time. And anything more would be dangerous. Fortunately, we're in a space in which we can do this. There's nothing but steel girders overhead, concrete below, and really not enough heat here to cause any problems for the surrounding area. It's challenging finding a fuel that can be on a chilled surface like this and still be at a flash point so you can get visible flames. But after lots of careful testing, we settled on this particular fluid. Pure gasoline. Alright, well, we have our shot, and let's turn this water off. Thanks a lot.